Talking about alignment with the current industry trend, right? So few elements that we actually take in consideration when we are customizing this particular co-curriculum towards the current trend and needs of the organization. So number one, we will be talking about integration of advanced technology. Right? So throughout the program, what will happen is there is a lot of discussions and best practice sharing will be taken place to see how Lean Six Sigma become the enabler to the technology integration that's happening in today's world, right? And also we'll be talking about integration of the latest methodology and tools. What are the more relevant tools they'll be using for today's environment? And that will be definitely be highlighted and also explained in more detail, looking at the trend and giving some examples towards the trend as well. And also we're talking about addressing the current challenges and demand in the business operation. So we want to know what is the latest challenge the business is facing, right? So we're talking about digitalization, we're talking about automations. So how this particular Lean Six Sigma is still relevant in that particular place, right? So that will be covered in the program itself. And finally, I also want to highlight that we also look into globalization and supply chain optimization through this Lean Six Sigma certification, because that it's become very crucial, especially pandemic time. We know that our supply chain is actually impacted the entire industry, right? So how do you optimize this? Because supply chain is also can give an impact on your costs and so on, right? So this is basically some of the key areas that definitely will be aligning with your current industry trend.